የኢትዮ አሜሪካ የንግድ ምክር ቤትና ሃኒ ኢቨንትስ በጋራ ባዘጋጁት ኤክስፖ ላይ በጣቢያችን ኢቢኤስ ቴሌቪዥን የሚተላለፈው የሄለን ሾው ፕሮግራም አዘጋጇ ሄለን መስፍን ተሸላሚ ሆናለች። በየጊዜው በተለያዩ የቢዝነስ ስራዎች የተሰማሩ ሴቶችን የሚሸልመው የኢትዮ አሜሪካ ንግድ ምክር ቤት በያዝነው የፈረንጆች ማርች ወር የሚከበረውን የሴቶች ቀንን ምክንያት በማድረግ ነው ሄለን መስፍንን ተሸላሚ ያደረጋት። ሄለን ለማህበረሰቡ ላበረከተችው የላቀ አስተዋጽኦ እውቅና በሰጠው በዚህ የክብርና የሽልማት ዝግጅት ላይ ይህንን ክብር አልጠበቅኩም ነበር ያለችው የሄለን ሾው ፕሮግራም አዘጋጇ ይሄ ለኔ እንደ ስራ ሳይሆን እንደ ተሰጥኦ ነው ላለፉት 14 ዓመታትም ያደረኩት ይህንኑ ነው ብላለች።
I'm honored to stand before you today as we celebrate Women's History Month. A time to recognize the resilience, the brilliance and the impact of women who continue to shape our community and our world. For the past 14 years, through the Helen Show on EBS and with Empower the Community Weekend and now Empower Addis in Ethiopia, my mission has been always simple, straightforward. It's to create spaces where women, our community, entrepreneurs and change makers can rise, connect and thrive. Empowerment is not just about lifting ourselves, right? It's about reaching back and pulling others up with us. It's about creating opportunities, sharing knowledge, and making sure that every woman knows her voice, her dream, and contribution matters. Today I celebrate not just this recognition, but all women who have inspired, supported, and uplifted others in their own unique way, like Wayna here, right? I accept this award on behalf of the Helen Show team, the EBS television family, and the entire Empower the Community Weekend and Empower Addis team. Let's keep amplifying the voices that matter. Thank you for this wonderful recognition, all of you, the state of Maryland, all these wonderful counties that recognized what we do. We are a strong community when we get together like this. So thank you, Ethiopian American Chamber of Commerce and Hani Events for putting events like this. Listen, when our strength is our connectedness, our strength is when we get together and show our power. So let's continue to do these kinds of events so we can uplift each other. So thank you so much.
የኔ ህልም ቀላልና ቀጥተኛ ነው። ሁሌም ስራ ፈጣሪ እንዲሁም ደግሞ ለለውጥ የሚተጉ ሴቶችን ወደፊት ማምጣት ነው። ሴቶችን ማብቃት ማለት ደግሞ ወደፊት መግፋት ብቻ ሳይሆን ወደ ኋላ መመልከትና ሌሎችንም መደገፍ ነው ስትልም ሽልማቱን በተቀበለችበት ጊዜ ተናግራለች።
Presented on the 16th day of March 2025 by all of us from District 20 of Montgomery County. Thank you so much and congratulations.